Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick show and tell on a unit that is from African Mall. So if you're interested in checking out African Mall, I'll have all their information linked in my description box. I'm just showing you guys what this unit comes with. It comes with a comb, wig cap, and elastic band. This wig had me so shook because when I picked out this unit, I wasn't paying attention and I thought it was a lace wig, and in fact, sis, it is a full cap wig. So I was kind of shook when I took this wig out the package. It does not come with any combs or anything. The only thing that it comes with is adjustable straps in the back so that you can adjust it to make sure it fits your head type. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how the unit looked just straight out of the package. I do have this wig in 18 inches and it is 100% human hair.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm trying to be with you. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All the mother chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
He can't love you like I love you, girl. You must be crazy.
So as you guys can tell, this is one of those easy breezy kind of wigs. I would suggest this wig for someone who, one, loves bang units and full cap wigs, someone who doesn't like to really deal with lace wigs, or if you want to take and break in between your install or whatever, this is a nice unit for that. I do feel like it is pretty thin, so that is one con that I don't like about this wig. It can use some more density. However, I do like the length of this unit and I like the style. It's not my everyday look, but you know. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, go ahead and check my description box down below. I will have all the information linked there, and I definitely would suggest this wig for someone who wants to rock it like in the fall and winter with like a hat on or like some type of cute bow or accessory. Let me know what you feel about this wig down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm trying to be with you. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All the mother chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
He can't love you like I love you, girl. You must be crazy, trying to replace me, baby. Cause girl, I trade it all for you. You know I risk it all for you. I'm only one call away.